Hey guys, what is up? This is Rohit Bhatia. Welcome to the episode of Top Android Apps of the month April. So I'm having 5 apps in my list which you should definitely check it out. So without any further ado, let's get started. On my list on the top I have customization app. It is a wallpaper app and its name is Wallpaper. This app is normally for people like me who loves illustration or minimalist wallpaper. If you are mad after clean wallpaper, then this app is for you. Collection is quite good, interface is so simple. Also, you can favorite any wallpaper by pressing the heart icon, and you can even check it later from the favorite tab. Guys, mathematics. For some student it's a nightmare, but don't worry. On the list, next app can be a lifesaver for you if you're afraid of mathematics. App name is Microsoft Math Solver. It is a bit old app, but as exam season is going on, so I'm including this on my list. So no matter what, how big the equation is, you can solve it in a fraction of seconds with the help of this app. There are 3 ways by you can input the equation. First option is scanning through the camera. You can easily click on the image of any equation from the mobile camera, then boom, you will get the answer. It does not matter where the equation is, it can be on mobile, computer screen or the book. This app recognizes it very well. Second option is draw, which I personally like the most. Here you can draw by your handwriting. This app automatically detects your handwriting and convert it to the text and gives the solution. And our third option is type, which means you can input the equation by mobile keyboard. The best part of this app is you can see the step-by-step solution of any equation. There are lots of other features like sharing the equation, bookmarking and making notes. So my student friends, try this app, you will love it. Have you ever faced a situation where you and your friends want to listen music but you're having only one earphone and trouble occurs when both are having the different taste of music? This app can solve your problem very well. Its name is Spitcloud. In this app you can play 2 music at the same time. This app plays first music on the one earbud and second music on the another earbud. This way both person can enjoy their music in their earbud. As it is a cloud based app, so the collection of music is too good. Let's move on to the next tab in the list. It's again customization app. Its name is Super Status Bar. You can set up a multiple gesture on your notification bar, like swiping left or right can change the brightness of your phone, or locking the phone by just double tapping on the notification bar. You can change any gestures. Let's change slider gesture to volume and see if it's work. As you can see, it's changing the volume now. Apart from gesture, you can set the ticker text, which means you can modify the color of text appear when you get the notification. You can even customize or modify the status bar or the battery look. There are lots of other features available on this app, so give it a try. On our list, next app is security app. If you travel a lot in buses, train and metro, then there are chances that your phone can get stolen. To save your phone from thieves, this app is designed. This app is a sensor based app. Its name is Pocket Sense. There are 4 features available in the app: Pocket Sense mode, Charge Sense mode, Motion Sense mode and Battery Full Sense mode. If you are going to travel by bus or going in a crowded area, then you can turn on the Pocket Sense mode and put the phone in your pocket. If anyone tries to pull your phone out of your pocket, the mobile will play a police siren, which will be activated by your fingerprint or pin pattern. Also, the thief cannot lower down the volume of siren. Next feature is Charge Sense mode. You can activate this feature only while you are charging your phone. If someone tries to steal your mobile and try to remove the charging cable, then it will play a loud siren. Next feature is Motion Sense mode. If this feature is activated on your phone and your phone detects any kind of motion activity, it will play a siren. Means if you are putting your phone on the table, if someone pick up the phone, it will play the siren. And the last feature is battery full sense mode. It clearly means that it will play the siren when your phone battery will fully charged. So this was it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the instant notification of our upcoming videos. So guys, stay home, stay safe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.